right here, the old fall lights. Right there. Y'all see it. Fit a shine this year. That's the old ones. About to get ready to put them new ones in. There you go, got the old fall lights out. Both on. There go the new ones right here. Got the old ones all. Just a regular fall light. LED ring light. That thing gonna be looking sweet. Yeah, let me get ready to put that thing in. You two, I'm gonna get back at you. The red one go to the purple, the black go to the black. And that's it. Just put it together, tape it up real good, whatever you want to do, how you want to connect it. And then that's it. Well, when I get ready to hook the ring light up, this is yellow right here. I'm gonna get back at you. I let the fuse, you gonna run it too till the daylight running through. That's the fuse right there. They're down there at the bottom. The two yellow ones connect all that together. They run one wire all the way up here to the fuse, daylight running fuse. That's a 33. That's number 33. That's it. You know, things will be running, but I figure give y'all the shot of these fall lights.